Good morning, sir. My name is Leia Alcabido from BPA 3 Section 2. In this video, I will share about what I learned in our subject, which is the elementary statistics. So, I will start. Good day, everyone. Today, I want to share what I learned about elementary statistics in our entire class. So, statistics help us collect and study information. I learned how to organize data, make graphs, and, find important numbers like the average, the middle value, and the most common numbers. So these are called mean, median, and modes. I also learned that statistics help us understand things better, like knowing what most people like and or how things change over time. Now, I see that statistics is useful in real life, not just in school, but also it helps us to make smart decisions and every day. That's all. Thank you and God bless.